Oh, this is very nice.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, come inside.
Oh, this feels good.
See what you would like.
Thank you. I normally don't drink cola, but I'm gonna go for it today. Oh, can we have a beer?
It's not included.
Oh, okay.
Pay for it.
Oh, later after the lunch, I'll pay for it then. Thank you.
Good idea.
So we can go?
Yeah. Sawadee-ka.
I'm going to make the stir-fry yellow curry powder.
Oh, very
Something
nice.
for us, what?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm a chef.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you're a chef?
You're a monk, a chef, everything.
Everything. บอกเป็นครัวบ้านไม่ได้ร้านอาหารเป็นครัวบ้านๆ This is yellow curry powder.
Okay.
It's a chili paste. I hope it's good.
Bro, this doesn't get more local than this.
I know.
This is
Oh,
you can get.
I can help.
uh,
Shall I stir it?
Hmm?
Stir?
no, wait a moment. Oyster.
That looks very good, what she's making over there.
That's Thai omelet. I mean, this is oyster sauce.
Okay.
What, no, what
This
is
is the tamarind sauce,
This
right?
You're making a sauce?
The curry, the stir fry yellow curry powder. I make a sauce with.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
จ้ะไข่เจียว2 จานนะ
ใช่ใช่
เอาไปแล้วจานหนึ่งเหรอ
คุณครับ
ขอนมหน่อยนะ
นี่วัด
Milk.
No way.
Can you mix it up?
Yes.
So,
Now we got Santiago in the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Chef Santiago.
Chef Santi Le Thai.
Yeah, bro.
white pepper.
Black pepper.
White pepper.
Oh, white.
Oh, nice.
Can you?
Yeah, harder.
Put some muscle too, bro.
There you go.
So if you do it, that's gonna be like
Yeah,
1 hour.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Is it good? Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
Try it. Put your finger in there.
Oh my god.
That's good, right?
Wow, what is that?
That's so good.
That's amazing.
อันนี้เดี๋ยวจ่ายเลยสับปะรดแบบรสอร่อย
That's so good.
อร่อยมาก
Egg.
Oh,
What?
We're not done yet. We're not done yet, bro. It just keeps getting better.
That's just a flavor.
This is like
Nice.
nothing that I've ever tasted
No.
before. It is so damn good. Oh my gosh. Santi, you got the recipe now?
Yeah, I do. The
Yeah,
problem
you
is
sure?
getting
Are you
the
sure?
ingredients. We're gonna have to call what
Oh my god.
for the ingredients.
วัดวางอย่าปิดไฟดังบึ้มเลยตกใจนะตกใจ
Where are you taking our sauce?
ใส่แล้วก็ได้แล้วนี่ไปทำข้างหลังนี่นี่นะนี่นะ
โอ้มีนี่ด้วยอันนี้ก็ใส่ตอนนี้ไม่ใส่ตอนหัวหอม
เอาอีกไหมล่ะ
พอแล้วหัวหอมมันต้องใส่ผักให้มันหวานก่อนไง
Yeah, this is Chef Watt secret recipe. Wow, Chef Watt. Bro, I'm loving this. This is amazing.
I know.
Because you know when you go to Thailand and Bangkok, you don't really get this. You go eat at a restaurant.
Exactly. Kapunka. Kapunka.
My love, when you're here, when you first arrived in Bangkok, you